Welcome back. In this video, we're first going to take a look at the File menu. And to do that, we're going to go to the left side. We're going to click on the File. You're going to see this area open up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click inside of this first link, which says Info. Now this tab has all property information that you can edit before you save your file. So for example, what you can do is you can obviously write in the name of the document. When you save it, you can tag the document with specific attributes, and you can even add a category to the document. What this does is add to the metadata when someone gets the document or saves it. If you want to add in attribution or someone that's worked on the document, you can add that author in by clicking in this link. You can expand the list of properties by clicking this area, and you'll then have other metadata you can put in, such as your company or your brand. Now, because Microsoft Excel is shareable across the web, we can determine how it's going to be viewed inside of a browser. And we can control that by clicking this Browser View Options button. For example, if we have more than one worksheet, we can determine that only one of those worksheets can be seen on the web. Note that we now have 4 workbooks. What we can do is we can determine that there are only going to be a certain number of sheets that can be seen, and we can determine that here. We can determine that the only thing that's going to be visible online is going to be certain items in the workbook. And obviously, these are things that are going to be highlighted and tagged. For example, if we are inside of Excel and we determine that we are going to use this item and that's the only thing we want to be seen on the web, what we can do is we can say that we are going to define a name for this. We're going to call this name region. We're then going to click OK. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to our File command. We're now going to click inside of our browser options. We're now going to say that we only want certain items in the workbook to be seen, and we're going to be able to click this button that says Region. Now in the next video, we'll look at the rest of the items in the File menu. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.